Greetings to all. Today we are going to see Geography Lesson 5 Industries. What is industry? Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of service. Thus, we have iron and steel industry, that is production of goods, coal mining industry, that is extraction of coal, and tourist industry, that is service provider. What is secondary activities? Secondary activities are also called as manufacturing. Manufacturing changes raw material into products of more value to people. As you have seen, pulp was changed into paper and paper into a notebook. These represent the two stages of the manufacturing process.
Classification of industries. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw material, size, and ownership. Raw material. Industries may be agro-based, mineral-based, marine-based, and forest-based industry. Agro-based industry use animal and plant-based products for their raw material. For example, vegetable oil, cotton. Marine based industries use products from the sea and ocean as their raw material, for example, seafood and fish oil. Forest based industries use forest product as their raw material, for example, furniture and paper. Mineral based industries are primary industries that use mineral ore as their raw material. Iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral based industry.
Size. It refers to the amount of capital invested, number of people employed, and the volume of production. Based on size, industries can be classified into small scale and large scale industries. Some examples of small scale industries are chalk making, sugar candy manufacturing, wood making, rice mill, potato chips making, toy making, liquid soap making, slippers making, detergent powder making, etc. Some examples of large scale industries are iron and steel industry, textile industry, automobile manufacturing industry, telecom industry.
Ownership. Industries can be classified into private sector, public sector, joint sector, and cooperative sector. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. Example, Amazon.in. The public sector industries are owned and operated by the government. Example, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Joint sector industries are owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. Example, Indian Oil. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by the suppliers of raw material, workers, or both. Example, sugar industries.
The factors that affect the location of industry. Power. Every machinery depends completely on the supply of power. Market. When the market is near industries, goods can be easily transported and reduce transport costs. Labors. Industries depends on labors, so they prefer a location where there is high population. Raw material. When the availability of raw material is near, the transport cost reduce. It is the basic input required. Capital. Modern industries and capital intensive and require huge investment. Capitalists are available in urban centers. Big cities like Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, and Chennai are big industrial centers because the big capitalists live in these cities. Industrial system. Industrial system consists of input, processing, and output. The Input include the raw material, labor, transport, power. The processing include converting raw material into finished product. The output include the income earned for the end product. For example, cotton textile. Example of input include cotton, human labor, transport cost. Example of processing include ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing. The output is the dress we wear.
Industrial region. Industrial region emerge when a number of industries locate close to each other and share the benefits of their closeness. Major industry regions of the world are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia. Major industrial regions tend to be located in the temperature areas near seaports and especially near coal fields. India has several industrial regions like Bangalore, Tamil Nadu region, Chota Nagpur Industrial Belt, and Visakhapatnam Guntur Belt. Distribution of major industries. The world's major industries are iron and steel industry, the textile industry, and the information technology industry, also known as IT. The iron and steel and textile industry are the older industry, while IT industry is a emerging industry. The countries in which iron and steel industry is located are Germany, USA, China, Japan, and Russia. Textile industry is concentrated in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan, and Taiwan. The major hubs of the IT industry are the Silicon Valley of Central California and the Bangalore region of India.
Iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry compresses various input process and output, and it is a mineral based industry. Inputs in this industry include raw materials such as iron ore, core and limestone, labor, capital and other infrastructures. In processing, iron ore is converted into steel by undergoing different stages like smelting, refining. Output result obtained is the steel. Steel is called the backbone of modern industry as almost everything is made of iron and steel. In India, iron and steel industry has developed taking advantages of raw material, cheap labors, transport and market. Major steel producing centers in India are Durgapur, Bampur, Jamshedpur and is spread over 4 states: West Bengal, Jharkhand, Orissa and Chhattisgarh. TISCO was the first major steel producing company in India in 1907 at Jamshedpur.
Cotton industry. This was based on cotton, jute and silk. India was the leading country in 18th century but could not face the competition from the western world. The textile mill in Mumbai was the first successful mill established in 1854. Ahmedabad comes second in terms of textile production after Mumbai, and it is also known as Manchester of India. Osaka is known as the Manchester of Japan.
Information technology, that is IT. Information technology industry deals in the storage, processing and distribution of information. The main factors guiding the location of these industries are resource availability, cost and infrastructure. The major hubs of the IT industry are the Silicon Valley, California and Bangalore in India. Bangalore is known as Silicon Plateau. IT hubs is metropolitan center of India are Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad and Chennai. IT sector provide jobs to maximum population in service sector. Indian IT engineer the technology is considered to be best among the world.
We have completed the lesson. Hope you understand it.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.